Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Quant and also ADA. Since I'm in my huge ADA long position, congratulations to everyone who followed me on this trade. Just at the beginning of the video, I want to show you the big Miraval bottle because the small bottle is for the small wins, guys, you know? And yeah, this is of course the big bottle for the big wins. So let's jump straight into the charts and I will tell you all of the updates, all of my price targets and expectations, and enjoy this video. And yeah, we're starting here straight on the 88 Cardano 15 minutes time frame. And cheers, of course, to all of you who took this trade with me. It was absolutely spectacular. I scaled in my long position in this first yellow target area, and I even scaled my position up in this green support box, which worked out absolutely perfect. And then I opened a head short here in this wave one top target area. And I told you we should come down in a 3-wave move in this wave 2 target area, which worked out perfectly. What a surprise. And yeah, that was the moment where I closed my head short, where I scaled up my long positions. And yeah, that's where I am with 1.5 million. And yeah, that's where I am with 1.5 million ADA long. I even told my trading partners on Telegram that this would be another opportunity to scale up the trade. And I also told you that in my yesterday's YouTube video. So just if you don't believe me, click my yesterday's YouTube video. We were down in this target area. I told you this is a very good opportunity for a long position in my opinion. However, this is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion and what I can read or what my technique tells me what the chart is going to do. And yeah, I think that we are, of course, following my wave count as we have been following it since now. And yeah, my next price targets imminently is the 40 US dollar cents. I think we should come there quite fast. Yeah, I don't think that it will take much time because it's a wave 3 of 3. So I guess we will just shoot up there. Yeah. However, it's no financial advice. Yeah, it sounds a bit speculative. Yeah, but yeah, as you know, I'm long with 1.5 million ADA, which is approximately 400,000 US dollars. And yeah, as you know, I entered there and I told it, of course, to you in real time in YouTube and in Telegram. And I entered there as well. I opened there my head short. I scaled up the trade there. All of that I did here in real time in YouTube. If you don't believe me, just click on my channel and watch any random video which was before today's video. The chart will look absolutely the same as it is looking now, just with my red and yellow counts here and the same target areas. Yeah? But we have been following it absolutely perfectly. Yeah. So if you don't want to miss out on that in the future, leave a subscription down below in the channel. Activate the small little bell so you will never miss out in the future. Again, you will always get notified when I upload a new video here on this channel. And yeah, in my expectation here, the next imminent price targets are the 40 US dollar cents. And then I expect the wave 4 and 5 towards the upside. The minimum target for this yellow wave 3 is the 43 US dollar cents. And I can tell you right now already that I think that one of those waves is extending towards the upside. So it's even going higher than the expectations. Because if we are zooming out here on the 4-hour time frame, yeah, you can see here my larger 1-2 setup, which I've been following here for you on this channel since the top of the wave 1, since the beginning of January. I told you we should come down there in an ABC structure in this bigger target area, and that's why I opened even my long positions there. And if we are measuring here this 1-2 setup with the trend-based FIB extension levels, we can easily assume that our minimum extension level here, which we should reach in a third extension wave, is approximately at the 60 US dollar cent level. Yeah, so I guess we should come there. I guess we will come there. It's just a question of time. It's just a question of how we will come there. And in my personal opinion, and that's what my thoughts are, we will never, or we will not come below my entry prices before we reach this target area. I guess this could be a long-term bottom. Yeah, and that's why I even consider to hold these long positions during the whole bull market, and just when I expect some retracement towards the downside, opening a head short. Yeah, but not at the smaller retracements. I'm talking really about big retracement areas here of the third wave. Yeah, and retracing here towards the wave 4 retracement, because that's quite, yeah, let's say 10% retracement. And if I can take it with a head short, I will. but my plan is actually to keep my long positions opened until the end of the bull run, because I think, yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA, every coin of them will reach new all-time highs sooner or later. And in my opinion, I could have probably catched a bottom here. Yeah. And we're straight continuing here with the Ethereum 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, we've been following the expectations here as well perfectly. And we've been moving up here in a 5-wave move on a 4-hour time frame. I don't want to go in the details here on the large time frames. I can absolutely remember when I told you down there when we hit my target area. I mean, however, it's not financial advice, but I told you down there that it's absolutely, in my opinion, never a wrong choice to go long there, because in every situation, in every scenario which we could see there, we should go up. Yeah, rather it would be corrective or impulsively. Yeah, I told you it could develop in any case, but in this situation, a long trade would be, in my opinion, never a mistake. Yeah, that's what I told you there. However, it's not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion, but you can see it played out perfectly well. We moved up here in an impulse, then I provided you here on this channel with this target area, which we reached also perfectly well. Was another opportunity to scale up your long or enter a long trade if you didn't yet. And yeah, in my yesterday's and the day before yesterday's video, I provided you with this smaller target area here, which also played out perfectly well. We hit it, we got a bounce from there. And I think, yeah, we're just following my wave count, which I provided you here earlier. I think we are now in a wave 3 of 3, which should be quite a strong bounce towards the upside. Minimum target here for me is the $2,100 level. But yeah, keep in mind that we should see a 4 and 5 afterwards. And of course, we can extend at any wave, yeah? Because to be honest, if we're zooming out here further, if we're measuring this 1-2 setup, the minimum target area here for this move towards the upside is at the $2,750 level. So the only question is how we are coming up there. And yeah, in my opinion, one of those waves has to extend, otherwise it's not possible. And I think it's going quite fast, because the more time it takes, the more unlikely it gets that this is a wave 3 of 3. Yeah, if it is a wave 3 of 3, we should get a massive bounce from here, then a wave 4 and 5, and land in the target area between around about $30,000, since I've been telling you here in the last few weeks, months already. I think it was already since September 2022, since I've been mentioning here this $3,000 level target. And let's jump over to the Bitcoin chart now as well. And as you can see, we are also following the wave count absolutely perfect. We have seen a perfect 5-wave move from the low here at $15,500 in a 5-wave move until the $25,000, and we have been following that perfectly. We reached target for wave 3, we reached target for wave 4, we reached target for wave 5 that completed a first wave, and we reached target for the second wave as well. Yeah, so you had all the opportunities to scale in this trade. You had all the opportunities to follow this wave count. I hope I could really help you well with that. I hope I could really provide some use case for you, because afterwards we even touched several retracement areas which I gave you, but the latest one we missed $400. Yeah, told you we should come down to $20,000, but we just came to $20,700. But it's also possible to get a bounce from there in a running flat pattern, which is not the most likely one. But when I look at the ADA, Ethereum, and other altcoin charts, I would actually consider this as the most likely opportunity to get a straight bounce from there, even if it's not the most bullish one, yeah, to complete a wave 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and also then 5 of 3. The minimum target here for this yellow wave 3 is at the $36,000 level, which I've been telling you here for the last few days and weeks already. So if you don't want to miss out on this in the future, just leave a subscription down below the channel, activate the small little bell, and you will never miss out on this again. So let's jump now straight over to the Q&T chart. And as you can see, surprisingly, we have been following the wave count perfectly as well. And that is an absolute surprise, just not for me, but maybe for many of you, because I got many instant direct messages and also other messages. And the messages all told me that, how can you say that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA are going up while Q&T is going down? The market is all together and all of the coins are moving in the same direction. No, guys, no, in my opinion not, yeah. In my opinion not. I've been telling you here in the last few days already that Bitcoin, Ethereum and also ADA are going up, while I expect a retracement or a correction down for the QNT, and we still didn't reach target, but we moved downwards while we moved upwards in several other coins. Yeah, so that's, I guess, proving my point. Yeah, so that's why I still expect lower price targets for QNT, because we just haven't the foundation. Yeah, we just haven't the ground. Yeah, to push higher. We just came up here in a 3-wave move, which absolutely not builds a perfect ground for a stronger bounce towards the upside. I would rather expect one last higher high, which has the minimum requirement of going below this wave 545, of going below the $95. Yeah, we should not hold it, but we should stay above the $80 level. I think that's the most likely scenario, and I've been following absolutely this perfect scenario since the first analysis about QNT already, which I provided you here at the beginning of January. I told you we should come up here in a wave C of B and then develop down in a 5-wave structure in this target area between 80 and $95. That's exactly what we're doing, and I still stick to the expectations. If you like this video, if you enjoyed this content, smash up the like button, leave a subscription down below the video, and also don't forget to activate the small little bell down below the video to always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for your support, and I hope we'll see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.